I know, I'm just a scofflaw. I'm a no good Nick. I'm a lawbreaker. So the truck is illegal right now. So the reason for that is because it doesn't have a license plate lamp. So we're going to have to do something about that. Don't want to go around without a license plate lamp. Because, you could just end up in Raleigh in the state pen or something like that, So anyway, I'm going to fix that. And don't worry, I'm going to fix the bumper. I'm looking for the hardware to come any day. For the extended bolts, I'll go into the bumper thing a little bit later on, this weekend or something. And I got another surprise about the trailer. So I got to get I got brown or black wire, something dark. Green, yellow, white. Red, green, yellow, blue, white. Just match this one. Not that one, the hollyhock. Now don't lose this piece of wallpaper because I had a heck of a time finding it. So there's your battery going to the truck. And this is your 4-flat trailer connector. That thing right there. So you're going to run your brown down to that one beside the earth white one, and then tap into that for your license plate lamp. And then yellow is left turn, green is right turn. So truck, extension wires, trailer connector, license plate lamp, and we're going to do all that stuff. So it's all right there on the World Wide Web. What do they call it? The interwebs. Yeah. So there you go. We're gonna be legal here very soon, and we're gonna have some other fun today. So it's a beautiful day. It's just one of those beautiful. It's almost like a fall day more than a spring day because of the amber waves of grain out there. So they sprayed that the other day. I was glad I was inside. So anyway, let's pop down there and do this thing before they trundle me off to the Hootscow in shackles or something, Okay, I got my sprayer hooked back up again. Boy, I'm breathless from hay fever. Sorry. And, I saw a Cameo today. Now Cameos, and this is related to it, they have that piece of chrome that goes around here, and so they make this white too. But I don't have that piece of chrome anymore, so I'm just going to do it that way. This ain't a Cameo. So there's no Cameo appearance at the car show. Well, let's see which one's the... I think that's a squirty thing. Let's see. Yeah. And see, it goes to both sides. So let's see if the wipers say. Okay, so that's a check. All right, good for me. All right. It leaves a lot of spray right there, but I think I can make that one lay down a little bit more. Lay down, lay down. I think I will. That's a funny thing too, because the nuts that hold these wiper blades on are 10 millimeter. I'm glad. Oh, shocked me. It's 80 degrees. So yeah, these are 10 millimeter for some reason. All right, let's clean that up too. So, I know the music's terrible today. All right, I'm just going to clean the whole thing. I'm not going to clean that one. I need that to mark it with. Maybe that was the trick that they were using when they built it. They just kind of left that arm up. But remember, this was a vacuum system when it was new, so well, I can move that several degrees. Okay, well, let's do that. I think that'd be safer. Okay, let's try again. So here's my squirt thing. Oh, squirt thing's right here. Okay. Yeah, there you go. 2 speeds, no less. That's pretty good right there. Not very good for the passenger, but it's good for me, and I'm the driver. That's what matters. All right, well, that's nice to get that. Oh, it shocked me again. Dadgum ya. Okay, well, let's wipe all this down. All right, I got my little 194 LED here. So what I'm going to do is solder on some little tails so I can just connect it up and make it easy on myself. So let's do that. So Get this going. Oh, there's a little bit of paper there. Take that, put it over here with all the paper. Get my little thing worked out nice here. So happy with that. So I'm trying to keep all the paper in one place. Okay, I'm getting ready to hook up the tail light. The license plate light and the trailer connector. So let's ring out these wires down here and see what's what. Okay, I just did this the other day, but hard for me to color code, although I'm going to try to color code it this time. So I got white, red, I got this green that I laced up. I did some braiding on, try to make use of that green wire, and I got more green wire if I need it. So just kind of over here my test light and my fluke and my hot glue gun, and this is my little 194 pigtail I made. So I'm going to just put it right back here. Alright, well I got all the wiring done, but I think the wire going from here to back there for the running lamp is somehow distressed or busted or something. It's the only thing I can find that's wrong. We'll walk around her tonight and look at her. Sure appreciate you guys watching all this stuff with me. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate that. So I've got a little time here. So as you can tell, these Wester wheels here, it says you can put 80 pounds in them. You wouldn't catch me put 80 pounds in them things. And they're new too. So I'm going to fix them up. So I need some brake clean in order to fix these up. Now you ever watch Rat Rods of Africa? That guy's pretty cool. He does a lot of stuff that I would never do, but I like him. And I watch him now and then. He's at the Cape of Good Hope or something. We don't have to go too deep into this. So we're just going to clean that off. And I got to plug in the hot glue gun. Let's see. It won't be dark for golly, about 2 hours. We'll come back down here and I'll do you a little walk around. That'll give me time to do a little bit of other stuff. I got to get that license plate lamp up in there, and we'll see how it works. I don't have the ball on it yet, so I had to kind of prop it up there. But we'll see how this looks tonight. So that's when it matters. And the odds of the trailer being out at night is probably nil. So we're probably just not gonna. I want to get it all right. Boy, this has been a great trailer. I mean, it's just these in the old. I don't think they make them like this anymore. So, oh, they don't seem to make it like this anymore. Look. I don't think they do. I've had people say, golly, that's one of the old ones. So I haven't seen the new ones, but anyway, this thing's 20 years old or so. It's been great. All right, let's go. Let's plug in the hot glue gun and put that lamp up there and put the tag on, and we'll get them going. Scofflaw. Don't want to be a scofflaw about that, I guess. Like I said, don't worry. I'm going to be getting the bumper bolts tomorrow, and I'll show you how I'm going to not only get that rear bumper straight, but we're going to make sure it stays straight. So I'll show you that tomorrow. But tonight we're going to be doing this. So let's wait for nightfall to come, and we'll check out my license plate lamp. I've already got it kind of hot glued up there. The rest of the wiring I haven't finished because I got to get it on the lift. I can stand up and work on it instead of sitting on some old pillow. So we can stand up and make it look real good. But I kind of, we'll just see how tomorrow works out. But one more shot tonight. Okay. 9:05. There's mutiny in the nursery. I'm doing my best to get a copyright claim. So, boy, those look good. I'm happy with that. So, all we're trying to do here is see if my license plate lamp, because, North Carolina law, I think I've undone everything. So let me get under the bonnet, because I got to take her up to the house tonight. So, hang on. Oh, there goes Cambot. Let's see what my license plate thing looks like. I didn't count. Oh, there's my green lance there. Say, that looks pretty cool. I think I can take this down. How do you take this down? turn it that way. Oh! Oh, I don't know. It's got to go away. Because we got to look at the back of the truck here. That's pretty cool. So, oh, well, that's not the point. The point is, oh, I like that. It lights up the GMC too. There you go, look at that. So I hope you like my medley of my favorite songs. Now that plug, you see that red lamp right here? That's one of those that shows you what's going on. Okay, well that's it. Phew. Well, if I ever drive her at night, it's going to be something you'll remember. So don't tailgate me. They're replacing all the lamps, those nighttime. Wow, look how good those are. I wonder if they attract bats. I don't know. Okay, I got to get this up to the house. I got to go to town tomorrow. So there you are. That's a pretty good plan. So there, just a 194 LED glued to the back of the bumper. That's all it was. Is that all it is? Yeah, that's all it is. So, once again, oh, I gotta go in. I haven't even had any dinner yet, but I have been listening to all my favorite music. Oh, gotta clean all this up. All right, good night. Thanks for spending time with me. And one thing we will do is double check and make sure the fluke and my dad's wire strippers are inside. Oh, okay, I gotta cut all that other stuff off too. Okay, good night. Talk to you later. Thanks so much for all the views and all the subscriptions. I don't know how to thank you. I don't know what to do. So, it means a lot to me. So, right, turn the lights off before I won't be able to start it. So there's the fascia and the dashboard at night. Alright, let's turn them off. Well, there's your definition of scofflaw. It's from prohibition and scoff and law of no kidding. And flouts and traffic laws. See? Told you.